I'm Sharon Amezcua, here again to talk more about the land requirements for the S2A modular factories. The S2A site layout includes 10 buildings and approximately 240,000 square feet of total space in those 10 buildings, plus a parking lot with solar installed over the parking areas and some storage area for the modular units when they come off of the manufacturing line and are awaiting trucks for delivery. 5 of the 10 buildings are built year 1 for the factory, and the other half of the buildings are built year 2 for the factory. Year 1 construction includes the first manufacturing facility of approximately 100,000 square feet and an assembly building, plus a sales office and 2 model homes. Year 2, a second manufacturing facility of approximately the same size and another assembly building is built, plus 3 additional model homes. We prefer to build our factories in an area where the infrastructure has already been put in because it helps us meet our goals of getting factories up and running in 9 to 12 months from closing on the land to getting the first unit off of the manufacturing line at each of the factories. Because our factories have a sales office and model homes, we need to be in locations where they are visible to people who are interested in modular homes and modular buildings. Ease of access to and from major cities and major highway or freeway arteries is a must for S2A. Please see the S2AModular.com website for more information on locations and layout for the S2A factories. Thank you so much for your time.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thank you so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy smart homes and how you can be involved as an investor. Just click the link in the description below to register for the event.